When was the last time someone cooked for you with so much love that you felt at home? When was the last time the food told stories and made you realize that a good meal can be the key to happiness? It was a dinner table conversation with some friends when I came to know about manzilats. Being a bong, food is a common topic of discussion, especially when it's biryani. Kolkata Biryani holds a special place in every Bengali's heart, and the man who made it possible was Wajid Ali Shah. And today we are here at the Manzilats, which is a small eatery run by the great great granddaughter Manzilat Fatima. You can enter the restaurant only with a booking confirmation, which you have to do well in advance. As you enter, you get to learn about Manzilat and the rich history of the family, and of course, you also get to see some famous faces who have visited this place. Once you enter the restaurant, you can see the beautiful open balcony, which can be availed in the evenings or during winter afternoons. We were greeted with a glass of khash sharbat, which seemed to be a nice welcome drink. As we entered the kitchen area, the most surprising thing that we witnessed was that each and every item that is served is prepared and supervised by Manzilat herself, and that is the reason why she accepts only a few orders. I stood there some time to watch her cook as she shared her story about her life and her passion for cooking, and it was something to look forward to. The interiors of the dining room are minimalistic and nothing fancy, but warm and comfortable. After waiting for some time, the first dish arrived, the mutton Awadh galoti kebabs with one ulta paratha. It took me some time to understand why they served in cutleries like this, but then I understood. Coming to the taste, trust me when I say this, I have tasted galoti kebabs across many cities in India, but this was simply the best. From its texture to its flavors, this was already a clear winner. And now let's talk about the paratha. This was light, thin, and soft, and the perfect combination with the galoti kebab. Honestly, I do not remember how many times I had closed my eyes just to submerge myself in the flavors. After a short break, it was time for the Kolkata Shahi Mutton Biryani. This was everything you expect from a Kolkata style mutton biryani, but just better. You can clearly see the rice to mutton ratio. The portion was generous, and if you are going for starters, this can be shared by 2 people. I literally had lost a lot of appetite, and at one point of time, the biryani seemed to be too much for me to be finished. But just for the sake of how good it was, I managed to clean up the plate. And finally, it was time for the Shahi Badam Firni, which I enjoyed while taking a walk on the open roof. This was again simply awesome. So as I mentioned earlier in the video that you need an appointment, a confirmed appointment to enter the restaurant. So there's a WhatsApp number which I'll share in the description. You can WhatsApp on that number. Please do not call. They might not respond. So please WhatsApp on that number and they will return to you with the sharing the details. And if you get a confirmation, you can go to the restaurant. But it's a 100% definite recommendation. If you are in Kolkata, you should not miss this out. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any question, as always, please do let me know in the comments and I will be more than happy to answer them. Thank you for once again. Goodbye.